put that in there, give that a good ram it in. I've got these bits here. Let's see if I can culprit there. Put this down for a sec. Get these strips here. We put this through here, thread it through. Thread this through there about halfway. Need some glue, that's it, got some cement. Sorry about the grunting, it's because I'm leaning over this way. Put the cement all over, not too much, but you just want to give it a good covering because the cement's going to interact with the rubber, start to break the compound down. The compounds, it will then solidify after it's been broke down and the glue dries. It will then solidify into the tyre. I'll fix the puncture. Try and film this bit for you good if I can. You can hear the tyre still going down. It's not quite got a seal on it, but this spike that's actually in there now, I'll try and show you. It's serrated all around the edge. That's why you ram it in and out a few times. It kind of breaks or rips the surface so it's a bit more even. Here we go. There we go. That's puncture repaired. All that glue now will solidify around that. Congealed, sorry, not solidify. It will congealed. And yep, that's pretty much it. Puncture is repaired. I know exactly what to do. Remind me to buy you a set.